Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a cake gift box. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need some sturdy cardstock or craft paper, a reliable ruler, sharp scissors, and a strong adhesive like craft glue or double-sided tape. Don't forget any fun decorative elements you might want to add later, such as ribbons, tags, or stickers, to make your gift truly special and unique. Next, let's get precise with our measurements. Start by measuring your cake to ensure your box will be the perfect fit. Then, cut a large square or rectangular piece of your chosen paper. Using your ruler, carefully mark out the lines for the base of your box and its four sides. Accuracy here is key for a well-structured box, so take your time with each measurement. Now it's time to bring your box to life. Carefully fold along all the lines you've marked, creating crisp creases that will define your box's shape. Apply your chosen adhesive to the designated tabs, then gently press the sides together, ensuring all edges align perfectly. Hold them in place until the adhesive sets, creating a sturdy and neat structure for your delicious cake. Finally, let's add those finishing touches. Consider adding a decorative lid or even a clear window to showcase your cake. Embellish your gift box with ribbons, personalized tags, or any other accents that match your style. Once decorated, carefully place your cake inside. You've now created a beautiful, handmade gift box that's sure to impress anyone receiving your thoughtful present.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.